Hi guys, welcome! Today we are going to draw Bluey in Christmas. We start doing the eyes. We draw a big smile. And we color the nose. We keep drawing the eyes. We erase a little bit and draw the Christmas hat. Do you like Christmas? It's very fun time. Now draw the eyebrows and the hat. With a bow at the end. We draw the body. And draw the hands. Start with this one. And the other one. Nice! If you like this videos, you can subscribe. And press the like button. Now we draw the tail. And the feet. Now we have to color the drawing. See you on the next video. Bye!